What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Hey, yo, Diablo is amazing. You know that, guys? Guess what he fucking showed me? That. Look at this. It's a fucking spaceship, fam. Like a legit fucking spaceship. There's my helicopter that I crashed down here. So I was close to getting here, but fucked up. And thanks to oh shit, we got 10 people. Thanks to this guy, Amarillo, whatever his name is. He let me use his submarine that I traded him for a fucking Sea-Doo. What the hell Fat Man choose the easy way out for? But you guys, the location is here, not here. This is amazing. Let's see. Let's go see what else is down here. Warning, approaching, crushing death. Oh my gosh. So basically, when you go, let's crush it. Anything under 100 feet will kill you. I wanted to go 0 feet. Dive, dive, dive. Oh yeah, we reached the bottom. Oh shit, the damn controller is vibrating so hard. Oh.
Everybody call me Stephen Wilkes, alright? You already know. Everybody call me Gunner. Everybody call me the Black Man. Everybody call me Nancy Lover. Everybody call Gunner Possum Lover. I'm Possum Sandwiches, Possum Stew. Everybody.
Fuck. I'm dead.
I do eat frog legs. They're good. Frog legs.
Damn.
Jamie legs and mayonnaise.
That's like, hey, it's Fat Man.
It's just like that. I ain't working out.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby. I don't wanna lie. Oh shit, there's a submarine probably at the bottom of that ocean over there. But anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see all you crazy little fuckers next time. Bye.